Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you baked Portuguese sausage, pasta, and cheese. Heat a medium-sized pot on medium and add in the oil. When the oil lightly smokes, add in the Portuguese sausage, garlic, and onion, and then sauté for 2 minutes. Add in the flour and mix well until all of the oil is absorbed by the flour, forming a roux. Quickly add in the milk and stir well until the mixture becomes thick. Then turn off the heat, add in the cheese and pasta, and mix well. Place the mixture into a baking pan, top with breadcrumbs, and drizzle the melted butter evenly over the top of the breadcrumbs. Place in an oven or toaster oven set to broil for 3 to 4 minutes or until the breadcrumbs are golden brown, and serve hot. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.